In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Messenger voice message. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Messenger on a desktop, but you need to make sure that you are using Google Chrome because it will only work on Google Chrome. Then open up the chat that does consist of the voice message that you are trying to download. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be right clicking our mouse and then we're going to be selecting on this option that does say inspect. And then it is going to open up a window that does look like this. Now do not be overwhelmed because it's honestly really simple and we don't even need to focus on the majority of this. So what we need to do is we need to go to the top menu and we need to select on the option that does say network. And then it is going to bring us a page that looks like this. Now, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and play the audio files that we want to go ahead and install. So I'm just going to go ahead and play one of the files right over here, just like so. And you want to make sure that it does actually play out the entire thing. And then here we go. It will now appear right over here. You will notice that it will say like media over here. So all we got to do is you just got to go ahead and press on it like so. Double click on it and then it is going to open us a page that looks like this. Then all we need to do is we need to press on these three dots and select on download just like so. And now we have the audio file right over here. Now, if you're running into any issues, make sure that you do disable all browser extensions. Originally, this wasn't working for me because I was using a bunch of different browser extensions and stuff like that. So if you're running into issues, that could be a potential reason why. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.